Under the current threat of COVID-19, our recommended guidelines describe how to safely sanitise your device to support infection control measures. So, the first thing we need to do, we recommend wearing disposable gloves when cleaning disinfecting surfaces and avoid contact with skin and eyes when cleaning. The second thing we need to do is actually turn off our device. So, to close everything down, I'm just going to turn our device. So, shut our device down, and that means actually disconnecting it from any power sockets as well. So, I'm just going to turn it off the wall and unplug it. So once we've disconnected it, everything's off and ready to go. The next thing is we don't spray any liquids directly onto the surface. And that really is just to ensure that no liquids actually enter the electronics in the device. The next thing is we need to use a microfiber or lint-free cloth. This must be dampened with water first, so no more than damp though. Once it's dampened with water, actually the first thing you can do is just wipe that screen, and you can actually start to clear off some of those fingerprints and grubby marks that build up on your display. However, to disinfect your device, we need a mixture of recommended around 70% alcohol, 30% water solution. Actually, the higher the alcohol content at this point is not necessarily more effective. I do have some solution here specifically for this purpose. What we would do is gently wipe that moistened cloth across the surface, and when cleaning a display screen or touchscreen panel, you wipe that in one direction only. So I'm just going to spray my microfiber cloth with the solution, and now we just go in a simple one-way motion across the screen, just to give it a good solid clean and making sure we're covering all of those areas for disinfecting the screen. After cleaning, surfaces must be completely all dried or air dried before turning on the device again. So we just need now to leave that screen just while it dries naturally in the air of the room. After disinfecting the device, glass surfaces should then be cleaned again using an standard office glass cleaner and a clean dry microfiber cloth. So get another cloth and then just again dampen that with a standard glass cleaning solution, but do avoid products that contain ammonia. And once you've done that, you can then just go back over the screen. But now it doesn't need necessarily to be in a one-way motion. You can just give that a final rub over. And that's it. Now we just have to leave our screen to dry. Just leave it to dry in the air. Once that's happened, we can turn the screen back on safely and carry on using it. And then final thing, we just need to dispose of these gloves. Always good to get these off. Just get rid of the gloves. And then we just need to make sure the next thing we do is go and wash our hands thoroughly with soap and hot water. And then obviously we can use our screens again. What I would say is that if we can follow this process diligently after every meeting or every session, then we should be able to safely use displays and touchscreens in the workplace moving forward. That's it. I'm Simon from NEC. Thanks for listening.